What up guys, this is Pastor Cano again. We're coming out with another video in C Sharp. So this video is going to be pretty quick and easy, pretty simple video. So a lot of times when I want to look some information on YouTube, I want to just a specific thing that I'm looking for, right? And you don't want the whole entire video to be 10, 15, 20 minutes. Just if you're looking for one specific thing that might take like a minute, 2 minutes, like pretty simple one. So right now it's we're going to be doing how to create a text file. Okay, I only want to know how to do text file. So, and this is how you do it. So I already create a folder. So I already created like a couple files right here, kind of testing right here. So create a folder, creative files. Okay, and this is, let me just get rid of this. Okay, there is nothing there now. Oh, wait a minute. No, let me just yeah, I went back, I think. Okay, so there is like nothing there. Okay, now, so let me create, how do we create a text file right here? So what we need to do is the following. So we need a variable name by the name path, right? And then right here we're going to have our path and the name of the file. I already have my path right here. Let me just copy and paste it really quick. Boom, right there. It is under my C drive. This is the folder, created files, and this is the name. Okay, let me just do semicolon right there. But let me change that. Oh, how do we call this? Test file. Test file. Let's call it test file. Test file dot text. So now right here we're going to using we're going to do a stream writer, which is right there. All right, it's really right there. What we need, yeah, and path semicolon. This will create just a test file right here. Okay, this is way too over there. Okay, let's run it. We should have a test file in the under the folder created files. Okay, push any key and then go back and check test file that was created right there, and there's nothing there now. Boom, right? Let me get rid of that. Don't save. That one don't save. That one don't save either. Okay, right? So there's nothing there. So now the other way to create a text file, it is we're going to do another one really quick. Oh my, I got so many open right here. Okay, the other way is going to be let's do the following right here. Let's comment this out. And then, actually, yeah. Okay, we're going to do an array. We're going to call like lines equals, and then we're going to have a couple animals right here. We're going to put some content to our files, so that we're going to be creating perro, gato, tiger, right? So also we can just say file that write all lines, and right here we can just put our path. So I have the same path, copy right here, so right here I have the same thing over here, right? Create files, and then I call it yo. Let's change it the name, so all of this content right here in our array is going to create a file, and it's going to put that, it's going to write that content. What is append? What the, I didn't say append, it's write all files. Where did that come from? So let's call it test number two, test two. Okay, it will run the program, and that should create another file called test2, and then it should add that content. Yeah, test file, is that what we do? Test2. Wait, let's go back again. Okay, we created, yeah, this is what we created. Test file, no, test2, that text. And all of this, it should be in there, in that file. Let's go back, check our folder, test2, and boom, we have perro, gato, tiger. Cool. That was a very simple video. It created our file, and also it wrote all the content into that file that we had from our array. So thank you very much for checking the video. Hopefully it was pretty short. Hopefully this helped you out in your journey, but please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, we're growing slowly but steady. Thanks. Have a good night, and I'll see you next. Bye.